going to sit down there later. And there are actually some people that are swimming. We go now to the grocery. Okay, look at this. Look at this. There is no one here. Nothing is moving. It's good to take picture. Okay, we are now here. The sun just got down, but I didn't see it. Yeah, the lady, I know her. She greet me. Okay, so we're going to take one of these pork belly. This is just $7.60. Actually, I take this just $6.87. And we're going to take this lemongrass, $3. It's okay. We're going to take this spring onion. Yeah, this $2.50. Okay, we're also going to take one of this leek. This $3.50. We're going to take this beef and pork burger. Nice, there's a couple there on their bike. Amazing. Look at that, it is already 10:35. Yeah, I am preparing my meal. Very busy. I was coming from outside. I went to the post office. There are many people in the post office. Many people are sending package. Yeah, mostly they are sending package. But actually, you can do many things in the Australia post office. They are selling different items like different stationery, electronics. This is the one that I bought yesterday. And this is what I'm going to eat today. This is actually a mix of pork and beef. Yeah, because I like it very well done. So this is my breakfast lunch because it's already 11. The texture is similar to the Salisbury steak. Outside it is very windy. It is going to rain according to the forecast. And look at this, I have this like a thumbtacks, and I'm going to put it here in my abrodero because like what I've said, from time to time it keeps on falling down. It will be not anymore. Okay, I'm going to put at least one for each. And the problem that I am going to encounter now is maybe all of them will fall down. Oh, look at that. The sun is showing on that side. But here, it's also showing, but it is already 4:35. I am supposed to make a pancit palabok today, but yeah, I was become busy. Yeah, I'm doing this. I am basically making boxes. Now I'm going to eat Yo, good morning guys. It is now 6:51 in the morning. I wake up at 4:30. Yeah. I'm still waking up early. I sleep just 5-6 hours. That's my regular sleep. Sometimes I still wanted to sleep, so I stay on the bed. But yeah, I can't sleep anymore. Yeah, so it's better to get up the bed and do something. And yeah, when I was on the bed, I received a text message, but I didn't check because I still wanted to sleep. And when I finally get up here, I check it and it's coming from Okla. Okla is a Syrian colleague in Four Seasons Hotel and Resorts. Yeah, he sent me a video of our old accommodation, the Oman house. It's good that some people still remember us. It's good that there is a Facebook. Yeah, thank you, Okla.
This is Oman House. What does it look like now?
Oh, look outside, it's very windy and raining also. If it is ordinary rain, you don't hear anything from outside because, yeah, the roof is like a cement. I don't know what they call that kind of roof. Most of the houses here are like that. But the wall of the house, they are usually just wood. Most of the houses here in Australia, just wood. Okay, it is now 8:32, and today I'm going to cook this palabok. I'm supposed to cook it yesterday, but yesterday was very busy. So yeah, let's start with this pork belly. I marinated it 2 days ago. I marinated it with lemongrass, soy sauce, and fish sauce. Also some sugar. I actually didn't preheat it. Yeah, yeah, because I don't have plan. And in here I have these frozen prawns, and I'm just going to put it here. Onion, I'm going to put some in here. And I actually have this leek. At work, we don't usually throw the trimmings like this. Trimmings of onion, trimmings of carrots, trimming of leek, celery, etc. We are usually putting it in the, making a vegetable stock. We strain that and we use for cooking, especially when cooking pasta, something like that. Oh, and this is getting dry. I don't have oil. I'm actually going to fry it. This is oil, olive oil, not good because olive oil has a very strong flavor. And this is actually an experiment of palabok. I'm doing it my way because I can't really follow the recipe of the Filipino recipe because some of the ingredients. Oh, what is that? What's that sound? Anyway, yeah, I can't really follow the recipe of the in the Philippines because some of the ingredients are not available here. Like at Suete, it's not available. So today I'm actually going to use this. I remember now what is this? This paprika. Also, I don't have chicharon. I don't have smoked fish or tapa or tinapa. I'm actually going to put the chicken cubes on the stock. We're also going to put it in the stock. I'm going to put a little bit of this paprika. This paprika is just for color, not for flavor. And I'm actually going to blend this fried shrimp, and this is going to be the sauce. This is going to be the base sauce. Yeah, we're not going to put this tail. I don't know if this blender is still working. Long time, the last time I used it. I'm going to add some stock. That's it. To cook this prawn here. That prawn is going to be the garnish. Okay, it's ready. Set aside there. So this is our base sauce. This prawn base. I call it prawn base now. Yeah. So to make a prawn base, at work we are usually So we are collecting the prawn shell or the skin of the shrimp. And then we put it in the oven, we toasted it in the oven. And when it's very dry, toasted, we transfer it in a big pot. And we put some ice and water. And then we let it boil for a couple of hours until it's reduced and get the the flavor of the prawn shell or the shrimp skin. Yeah, we strain it and then we keep the stock, the prawn stock. The water is now called the prawn stock. And then we strain it in a very fine strainer and we keep it. Sometimes we keep it in the freezer, and then when we need to prepare something with the beef or prawn stock, we use that one. But what we usually do is for usually sauce for pasta, and we usually, so the prawn stock, we usually mix it with some tomato sauce. We blend it. Sometimes we add some anchovy, and also we added sometimes potato puree to make it very have this smooth creamy consistency. Yeah, that's what we do before. That is the Italian way. Yeah, there are many different ways because the Italian, they like to experiment with their food with different sauces. Yeah, and I like that. I really like those the taste of what we are doing there before. If we put tomato sauce in here, the color will be good looking. Now I'm going to prepare this sauce. And I actually forgot this. Okay. This best now, peace. Peace. Put a little bit of this chili paste. I'm going to put some fish sauce. And I'm going to eat it first. While doing that, going to boil this egg. Okay, we're going to taste it. Very tasty, full of flavor. Very delicious. I feel like it is also good with rice. A sauce of the rice. But I'm not hungry this time because I eat the pork belly and rice. So I'm not hungry anymore. And we'll continue making the palabok later when I'm hungry. I'm going to take a shower first. Yeah, I already took a shower. It is already 11:27 and I will continue doing this. In making a small box, I basically use this as a pattern. And these boxes is going to be similar to those jewelry boxes, the small one. And I'm now hungry, and I'm going to continue cooking this, the palabok. So I'm boiling the water. I'm again going to boil an egg because the first one I already eat, and now this one is boiling. I'm going to add just some baking soda. Oh, yeah, just to make it thick. Yeah, flour is okay. Flour is okay. Yeah, the sauce is now thick. The taste didn't change. It's still delicious. Like what I've said, if I put it in the rice, it will be delicious. I put it back there. This is what I am going to eat now. And this one tomorrow. Also, it's going to have this pork. Also, we'll have some of this spring onion. And we'll have this egg. Look at that. Looks beautiful already. But look at the mess I made. Too much. Yeah. Okay, we're going to eat this first. Yeah, actually I feel like I don't like to make it broken. Palabok needs to be eaten very much mixed. Yeah, the taste is not the same like the Filipino palabok because it doesn't have this tinapa or the smoked fish. And this is how it is now. This is the box. And this much of boxes. So much mess also. And I will leave it like that. And I will continue it tomorrow. Because it is now, yeah, 15 minutes to 6 o'clock. I am going to watch the news.